I hope you guys are excited because, dude, this build is gonna be crazy. Just to rebuild it from scratch, there's no way, dude. This car is clapped. It was the most clapped car I ever bought. I've never seen wrap this bad. To turn brown, there's no way it's coming off. What's up, guys? We want you another video. Today is the day that we reveal the E92 color, the FindingNick/Vor collab color PPF. I'm so excited. I know you guys are too. I know a lot of people have been guessing and telling me, when are you gonna reveal the car? It's been forever. I know, guys. There's just a lot of planning and build up behind the scenes that went into this project, but it was so worth it and it came out better than I expected, bro. This color is the perfect color I've ever seen in my entire life. That is why it's the FindingNick color, bro. It's literally my personal color that we got to sit down with Vor and come up with the perfect shade, the perfect color, the perfect shininess, metallicness. I don't even know if that's a word, but I literally created this color, guys, from scratch. So enough talking, let's show you guys the new FindingNick/Vor Redline Series color PPF. Check this out. People guessed it. We went with red again, bro, bringing it back to the OG days. But to be honest, what other color could I possibly have done for my first FindingNick collab color? This is perfect, bro. I made it the ultimate red that I could make, dude. Look at this. It looks even crazier in the sun, which you guys will see, but dude, it looks wild, guys. We are missing this still, but you guys remember how clapped out this car looked the day I bought it? It was honestly sad to see my first car in such bad condition, bro. And now, look how different it looks. Like literally night and day difference, bro. Huge shout out to everybody that is involved on this project. Number one is Vor PPF. They make gloss PPF, satin clear PPF, and now they're starting to come up with their color series. And what better way to launch it than with the FindingNick collab? This is called the Redline series. If anybody wants this color, it will be available soon, but this is literally the FindingNick red, guys. It's perfect. So huge shout out to Vor and huge shout out to Premium OC for wrapping the entire car. They wrapped all of my cars. They wrapped my R8, the G80, the F80. I feel like I'm missing some, but also the E92 now. They wrapped all of my cars and it literally looks like paint, bro. And huge shout out to my boys at Premier Plug for just tying in the whole car together with the carbon. We got a brand new carbon front lip on here. We got carbon side skirts and we have a carbon fiber diffuser, which looks crazy. The whole under tray and everything. This diffuser, fun fact, I've always wanted it back in the day when I had this car. Back then, when I was driving this car 10 years ago, I always wanted that diffuser, but honestly, I just could not afford it at the time. So it's so cool to just have my old car back and get all my dream parts on the car. Literally giving my E92 another chance at life, bro. Like you guys saw how bad the freaking wrap was, bro. It was cooked up here. It was so bad. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, huge shout out to Pure PPF because they supplied carbon fiber wrap. This is not my actual carbon roof. If you guys remember, the roof was also very, very bad because, like I said, when I sold it, it was not in that shape, bro. Like between when I sold it to now, dude, I don't know what happened to the car. I don't know how long it sat in the sun, but everything got destroyed, including the carbon roof. So Pure PPF actually sends out a roll of carbon PPF. Yes, this is not real carbon. It's actually wrapped. And honestly, I've always been like a big hater against like carbon wrap, but dude, their carbon PPF legit looks real, bro. Look at this. And so much better than the OEM carbon. The OEM carbon was yellowing and cracking and everything. So now it looks brand new. I'm telling you guys, we're literally bringing this car back to life. And I think we did that. There's still a lot more to do. We have coilovers on the way that I gotta install. We gotta install some new seats that I got from NRG. Huge shout out to them. Fortune Auto suspension on the way. And a lot of other stuff. So the car's not even close to being done, but wow, bro, what a freaking night and day difference, dude. This color is so shiny and the wing looks hard, bro. Literally looks like a freaking track car now with the diffuser and the wing. Today is also the merch drop. If you guys want to get any of this new merch, I'll leave it on the screen right here. It's all linked down below, shopfindingnick.com. It's very limited, but once it sells out, it's gone. But number two is everyone that purchases something from the website today and this week is going to be entered into a giveaway. Myself and Vor are giving away a free FindingNick Redline Series color PPF, that red wrap, to one of you guys for free. And on top of that, we're actually gonna pay for your car to get wrapped from any shop that is in your local area to get wrapped in that color as well. So one of you guys could win a Finding Nick wrap and be twinning with me before anyone gets a hold of this wrap. This wrap is gonna be sold to the public soon, but for now, one lucky person is gonna win the free color PPF and free labor for your car to get a wrap just like mine. So yeah, super, super cool. Everyone who cops the merch is entered into that giveaway to get a free wrap. So make sure you go down below, shop.findingnick.com, cop some merch, and I appreciate it so much. And yeah, dude, now it's time just to enjoy the United 2 and start making more content with this thing. We have so much content on the way still. But it should look like a completely different car, huh?
That looks crazy. Oh my god. That color's sick as fuck. It does not look nothing like the car when you first got it, bro.
I remember how bad it was?
Yeah, it posts like a before and after picture or something.
For real. Ah!
No, stop it. Throw it away. What the?
Bro, it's a whole different car now, bro.
Looks too clean.
Bro, I love it.
Honestly, I was not expecting it to come out this good.
Me neither, bro. I swear. I was kind of doubting it, but just because of how the condition it was, you know?
The red, honestly, I knew it was gonna be a red, but bro, this red fucking looks insane.
It looks wet. Like, it literally looks wet, bro.
It looks like it's ceramic coated and everything.
Literally, bro. Cannot get over how good this car looks. Like, I'm not kidding. Before, when I first bought the car back, it was so sad seeing it in that condition. I literally thought there was no way to bring this thing back to life. But the vision came to life. Look at this. So shiny. Bro, I'm literally gonna be driving this all the time now. Like, now I'm not embarrassed to take it to a car meet. I was so embarrassed of how it looked before. The wrap was cooked, dude. Everything was cooked. I can't wait till you guys see this thing in person. Like, dude, it's so shiny. Like, it literally looks like it has like 10 layers of ceramic coating on it. It's so glossy. It looks like paint, bro. I cannot believe we're bringing this thing back to life. It still needs so much work though, guys. Like, also a whole detail. Like, I got wrap in here. Slowly but surely. All right, guys, by now you guys have already seen the color of the United 2. Hopefully you guys like it. And now we're actually gonna go to Beamer Plug. We're going back in time, all right? We're going to Beamer Plug to install the carbon fiber lip, the diffuser, and all these other little miscellaneous things like the window trims. We got some new tabs to throw on, the hood vent, a bunch of little things. Pretty much piece the car together. But yeah, this thing still needs a ton of work before it's done. It needs a lot more work. At least the car looks good now, but it needs a lot more work. The suspension's like creaking, but we are taking the bags off. We're going with the coilover setup from Fortune Auto. They're at my house. I gotta install those still. So no more bags, no more clunky suspension. I was gonna say who knows how old these airbags are, but I know how old these airbags are. I installed these airbags, had to be like 8 years ago. I don't even know, bro. So it's overdue for some new suspension. But we gotta change out these seats as well. I have seats at my house. We have a lot of parts to install. Also get rid of all this stuff. Look at DSC malfunction. I don't even know this. TPMS sensors, check engine soon. Brake malfunction. Bro, every malfunction you could think of. Headlight malfunction. Everything. It does look good though. Bro, I freaking love this red. This is my first time seeing it in the sun, by the way. And it looks crazy. It's so much more shinier than I thought it would be. At least it sounds good. It sounds freaking sick. This might be my best sounding car, but most clapped out car at the same time. It's almost, we're getting there. It looks good, but it's still clapped. Yeah? Look at all the codes I got.
We'll fix it.
It looks good though.
It looks good.
It's about to look better right now.
Oh, it looks, bro, this is slammed. It looks like paint.
It looks like a completely different car, and it does look like paint, bro.
Look, it's like orange, red.
This is my first time ever seeing it in the sun. Literally looks like a fresh paint job.
Look at the sun.
Oh my god, this side is crazy. Bro. From the first time you saw it?
Yes. Bro,
the last wrap was so bad.
Sparkles on it.
Yeah, it's like sparkles, dude. I love this color. Like, it actually came out so good. But yeah, I know. I honestly want to do this red on all my cars now. Like all of them. It's like the perfect red in my opinion. I've always loved this shade, you know? Yeah, we're about to install the diffuser.
Yep.
Lip? I don't know what else. We'll see.
Yeah, we have some more parts.
We'll go find some more parts in there. Just pulled up to Beamer plug. You guys already know Beamer plug, bro. We have Beamer plug parts on all of my cars. Literally every single one of my cars has Beamer plug parts on it. And today we're about to complete the 892. Like I always told you guys, every car needs a front lip. And this one, it looks so ugly without a lip, bro. It's so bad. The lip's gonna change everything right now, watch. I need these on.
Come on.
Let's try it. You want me to buy them? What? You sold them? All right, never mind. I'm not buying them. But one of my favorite finishes on the T's. I love it. It would look really good on this. What's up, G?
What's up?
Where you been? Why?
Working.
I haven't seen you forever.
I know.
What's up, bro? How are you?
You've been traveling.
I know. I'm back.
How's
Oh
Miami?
my God. Miami was sick. You should have came. Look at this diffuser, bro. This shit is huge. You know, I've always wanted a diffuser back in the day when I had the 92, but I never did it. You wanna know why?
Because you messed it up.
I couldn't afford it, bro. I'm be honest.
Bro, how much is this? How much is it?
Bro, this shit's a lot.
What?
Back then when all I had was the E92, bro,
2000?
I was like, that's way too much.
That is expensive.
But I always wanted this on this car, bro. Back in the day when I had this. That was my only car. But now we're about to put it on. So we got the diffuser. That was another piece, huh? So like a 2-piece diffuser. And the huge lip, the GT4, which is my favorite. I got step one, gotta take the bumper off. That premium just put on.
5 minutes to go.
But it's all right. Take it off till we get the lip on and this little mesh grill. I gotta find this little piece. I think it's that premium somewhere. Perfect. Shout out to my boy Nor for sending me that. Because that's literally one of the pieces that we were missing. He also sent us a hood vent too, because you can see right there it's missing. Yeah, Naughty Auto Parts. This is their Instagram right here. My boy Nor, he disassembles like crash cars. So he has like a ton of just like OEM parts just laying around. So whatever you guys need, hit him up. He can get you like little miscellaneous things or even full on bumpers, headlights, all that stuff. But for me, all I needed was that and the front grille. We're also missing this, which unfortunately he had that side in stock, but not this side. So right now I'm trying to figure out if anyone has this for the reveal, because I don't want to reveal it like this, but we might have to. Damn, it's my GTR. You try to win it?
Yes.
What if you would have won, bro?
Bro, that'd be so funny.
That would have been sick, dude.
Come outside.
Dude, that would have been crazy. Because I heard that the guy who owns the GTR now, I think it's clapped out, bro. I think it's bad.
Bro,
Like,
how do you win like a GTR and you just...
I know, just destroy it. Oh my God, bro, that's so much freaking better. Finally, dude. Everything's coming together, guys.
You want to just drive this?
It's might be a new favorite car, G.
Much better, G.
I'm about to drive this all the time now. It sounds good, huh?
Insane.
I think it's my best sounding car. Yeah, same Valtronics up. Bro, this shit looks crazy with the diffuser. This is a whole different car now, bro. And the front end has the lip on it. Wow, dude. The under tray is crazy. It's all carbon down here. I need to get some new exhaust tips, guys. This exhaust has to be like 10 years old, bro. This Valtronic exhaust. It still sounds that good. I feel like this diffuser setup with the spoiler is like the perfect combo, bro. Like this shit looks like a straight up track car now, dude. No way. Really? Wait, the battery died, bro. Really? No way it died, bro. I'm telling you guys, still needs a lot of love. So I gotta get a new battery now too?
I mean, you just gotta drive it, bro.
Yeah, honestly, yeah, it's been sitting at the premium for like a month.
It used to be like this, right?
Oh, that's better, huh? It does look better, I think.
Yeah. See, I told you.
Yeah, something was throwing it off with the wing,
It
bro.
was like this.
Yeah, that was stupid.
Let me see. It does look better, no?
You can do it like this too, look.
I'm like, that's kind of cool. I feel like that's more flat, honestly. So we'll move it to the middle one, I think. I think it'll look better. There you go. Finally, it starts. Guys, I love this car. Like, literally, I finally brought content I made with this car. Gave it another chance at life. Because it looks so sad. I mean, you guys saw when I first bought it, it was horrible, dude. But slowly but surely it's coming back together. Huge shout out to Beamer Plug. Huge shout out to my boy Paulo too for installing everything. Literally a night and day difference, dude.
That's sick,
Dude. Damn.
Looks like a straight race car.
It does look like a race car.
Bro, look at the light.
The light?
The light,
Oh, they're
bro.
so fire.
Yeah, the red at night I think makes it even look even crazier.
It looks so neat.
Setting off car alarms. You hear it? I don't know what the squeaking is, bro. We still gotta dial in the suspension. Like I said, we're putting coilovers on it soon. What do you guys think? Damn, bro, I'm really debating on wrapping my R8 this color, guys. It sounds badass. Every time he brakes. God damn! That's what I love about the United 2, bro, how they sound. Like, it's literally the best sounding M3. That shit sounds sick. It's not fast at all, bro. It's the slowest M3. I'm pretty sure E30 M3 will beat this shit. But the way it sounds, you cannot beat it. God damn, bro. I missed the tune on it. We took off the tune when I sold the car, but I might have to put the tune back on. Shoot some flames. Thank you, G.
Got you, man.
Bringing
Like
the car back to life. Yeah, I love the diffuser. That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
The diffuser with the wing, like that whole combo.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.